Hi guys, it's another box opening of a Buddyfight, and today one is a new one. It's a Buddyfight 100 Mikado Evolution. Actually I bought 7 box. Okay, here is the 5 box, and then actually I already opened 2 box, and then the first box it was very lucky. I got 3 triple rare. Okay, I'll place it over here. And then I'm so lucky that I got it. I don't know what it's called. Maybe it's a secret pack or what. Okay, it's together with the Star Dragon World flag. Okay, and they come with this. It's all secret. If you get this secret pack, this one will be the first piece. Okay, and then followed by all these other cards. Okay, and then the second box is also good because I got my favorite cards, the O-Yamigedo. It's also a triple R, and then got this Messengers of Despair from the Darkness Dragon World, and then got a Danger World, the 8 on me lot. Okay, now let's start the box opening. They also come with promo cards. Okay, and then the promo cards is Armor Knight from the Danger World. Normally, the first box that I get my secret pack is on the right hand side, and then the 5th or the 6th pack. Okay, let's start on the right hand side first. Still the same thing, I will not say much. You'll just take it on the cards. I will try to go it slowly. It's a single arm. I will try to upload this video by tonight so that you guys can view it. For the English version, today is the first day. Now this card is good. You can nullify the impact card, and then you gain 4 life. This is my favorite spell card too. Same thing, single R. This it's a triple R. The first night of the, I forget how to pronounce the name, sorry about it. Forget to tell you, this is a good card too. Okay, pay 3 gauge, put a 3 black knights from your drop zone into this card so that. Okay, and if this card is your body monster, put up an additional 2 into this card so that means total 5 soul. Okay, choose a monster on your opponent's field. You may put up a number of cards equals to or more than the monster size from this card so the bottom of your deck in any order. If you do, destroy that monster. Alright, nice. Sorry, as the vision maybe the focusing is not clear because now it's night time and then the light in my room is not so good. Single, and that 3-bar is on the 4th pack. The second box one I get is on the 5th pack. So I think all the 3-bar is not in sequence. Hope I can get a body rare card. Oh, this is a Darkness Dragon World new impact card. Sorry. This is also a new Dragon World impact card, but I don't think it's good. Pay 1 gauge, deal 2 damage to your opponents. A single card. Javara is an item card, 100 demons, spell, not spell card, 100 demons cards too. Just hope that I can get one more O-Yamigedo, O-Yamigedo. A foil, single, Mikado. Oh, a double danger world spell card. Fifth Omi Great Dragon Shield. Oh, I get a body rare card. Nice. It's a 5th Omi Dragon Lord Kaizer Drum. Cool. For the first 3 boxes, I'm very lucky. Wow, nice. And it's on the 13 pack on the right hand side. The first box I got a secret pack, second one I got a O-Yamigedo, and then this third one I got a body rare card too. Yeah, a foil. Maybe tomorrow then I will start to open up the other 3 boxes, and then there's 1 box I need to share it with my kids. It's a triple, it's a Dragon Knight. This card is good too. Wow. Alright, let's go to the left hand side, 15 pack. hope it's a O-Yamigedo on this side. A foil. Fifth Omi Armor Dragon, Dark Arm Su. Let me pack the cards and put it aside first. Oh. This is something like a green dragon shield. This is my daughter who said it. It's for this Star Dragon world. Wow. Chieftain Feast Dragon General. Wow, Dara from Dragon World. Cool. Nice foil background. It's an item card. And a foil. Oh, this impact card for the Star Dragon world. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and then I'll try to upload more videos for Buddyfight. Oh, this is a triple R card too. So I have to try my other slot on the other box for the O-Yamigedo, because I think I already have 3 triple R, so the maximum for a box is only 3 triple R. A foil. Inferno Shield. This is a Dara. They come up quite a few good cards for Darkness Dragon World. Maybe I will rebuild my Darkness Dragon World deck. Last 3 pack to go. A foil. The last second pack. double. Alright, that's all for the third box that I have. I will try to upload my 4th, 5th and 6th, and just a review for this third box. Body rank. Alright guys, see you next time. Please remember to subscribe my channel. Bye.